All right, guys, we're here today at the BBQ Pro Shop Test Kitchen. You know us as Flavor Anonymous, Pitmaster Shane D, Chef Dylan Light, and today we're doing shrimp po' boys.
Not just any shrimp po' boy, though.
No, tell me about it.
Barbecue, man.
Smoked shrimp po' boy, right?
Yeah.
So what are we gonna flavor these with today, Shane?
Awesomeness.
Awesomeness.
Actually, this is one of my favorite rubs. There are a few rubs that I wish I made. It's kind of like a songwriter saying they wish he wrote a certain song. This is one, man. The Heavy Smoke Boys. They crushed it on this, and I think it's a great rub.
Yeah, it's got a lot of great texture, and it's really balanced in the flavor.
Yeah.
You know, you see a really good particulate in it.
Of the AP style rubs, it's one of the better ones, I think. Personal preference, of course.
And what else are we gonna do to flavor these shrimp?
We're gonna add the Voodoo that you do from Mr. Meat Church
Voodoo.
himself.
Holy Voodoo, not just any Voodoo. Holy Voodoo. Batman.
Yeah. So the Heavy Smoke has a beautiful roundness to it. It has a full, rich flavor. The finish is a little sweet. Heavy Voodoo has a nice peppery note that is a little, I'm gonna say a little more umami, in my opinion. But the two together are pretty cool.
All right, I'm seasoned, I'm flavorized.
Sounds like
What's
we need
next?
to cook it.
So for this one, we're gonna cook it on the M1, but we got a cast iron skillet that we've had in it that's blazing hot.
Yep.
So we're gonna get a quick sear on the shrimp. So we're gonna leave the lid open and we're gonna just shoot this one straight through, guys. And it should only take probably 3 or 4 minutes for this to finish up. So if you grab the lid,
Let's do it.
I got 2 hands of shrimp here.
Yeah, baby. So we got the M1 set up Santa Maria style, so that means we got coals right underneath that cast iron pan. This is what I love about cast iron, right? One of the questions you always get is, how long does it take to cook shrimp? Depends on the size, but really, I mean, they got their own little kind of pop-up timer. I mean, once they get a good, beautiful pink color, you're done. These, because of the rub we're gonna put on them, they're gonna have a touch of char to them. And you want that. That's texture, right? We're replicating that deep fried shrimp that is normally in a po' boy. And that's what I love about this, is that we don't have to deep fry it. We can put healthy, nice butter in there. Yeah, we're giving up some calories with the rub, because most of those rubs have a little sugar in them, but that's okay. That sugar caramelizes, gives you a beautiful crunch, almost like a blackening seasoning. And they're fantastic. I mean, Dylan, these are already almost done, dude.
Yeah, we got less than a minute left on them.
Temp on that pan right now has got to be on the bottom, that about 600 to 700 degrees. The grill says 500, it's pegged, but again, we have charcoal literally right underneath that cast iron pan. So the charcoal itself is probably running 1200 degrees, but that cast iron's eating up a lot of that heat.
Whew, yeah.
Look at that, it's like fajitas at a restaurant.
That's fantastic. So you can see all those nice little bits of color we got. That's gonna add the texture that Shane was talking about. It's gonna make for a really delicious, interesting sandwich. It's gonna be nice little crusty bits of flavor.
Now, obviously we could have done this in the kitchen, right? We didn't have to do this over the grill, but shrimp pick up smoke really, really well. More so than you think. I mean,
even in the cast iron, they're
Yeah.
gonna take that on.
Absolutely. So let's start building sandwiches.
Yeah, so what
Now,
are
in
we
a
putting on
traditional
there?
po' boy, they would tear some of this out, but I don't think we're going to today. It's
No,
not.
we're not doing that.
Well, you want a little mayo on this side?
Little mayo,
Little Dijon on the other
next
side?
to it.
You want it
So we
beside
get that
by side?
Dijonnaise kind of thing going on. Perfect.
There we go.
And we're gonna cover that with that shredded lettuce you got over there. All right.
You want the?
We'll put, so let's do some
slippery onion?
shrimp and then put
All right.
some tomatoes
I'm
on
gonna
top.
land these right here then.
Yes. All right. I'm just gonna stack these. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now I know why Mr. Rogers was so calm. Because he probably had somebody in the back cooking for him, just like this. Give me them tomatoes.
Oh, you need the maters?
I need the maters, and we're gonna land those things right there and cap it. So the great thing about shrimp, especially when you get them like this and you get good shrimp, Yeah, you're right. They took on that smoke flavor, even being in there that short period of time. But if you cook them right, there's a snap to them.
Yeah, like a pop.
Yeah, and these have that.
Yeah.
And they're gonna provide that textural contrast against that lettuce and that tomato and the crunchy outside of that bread. But they're just warm, buttery. You know, the Voodoo has really brought out that savoriness. And I'm telling you, heavy smoke, that well-balanced salt, sugar, just all those beautiful spices are playing together in this skillet with this shrimp.
You can put those shrimp in gumbo. They would work in anything, man.
You know, you guys with the flat tops, you do these shrimp on a flat top with some rice, dirty rice.
Or red beans and rice. I mean, listen, when it comes to down south cooking, I mean, your options are limitless, especially with blends like this. So, I mean, I don't know how much else we should tell them other than go get them some and eat it, right?
You're gonna enjoy this almost as much as we've enjoyed it right now.
Absolutely. Check out BBQProShop.com and pick up these 2 products and try this recipe. You'll love it.
Thanks for joining us at the test kitchen for BBQ Pro Shop. We hope you enjoyed what we've shown you today.
We know you like the products. Check them out at BBQProShop.com.